So, you probably came here because your internet is down. First of all, quick little video, so sorry it's recorded on a phone, I couldn't be bothered to screen record it. But let's get straight to it. Your internet is down because of your service provider. What are the causes? Well, one of the possible reasons, once again, this is only to cover this reason, so if it's not for this reason, it won't work for you. But you never know if it's this reason until you try. So, one of the possible causes is DNS. Your DNS server at your internet provider is having issues, and that could cause your internet to not work. So what you're going to want to do is, well, first let me prove to you that it's not working. As you can see, and I am connected to Wi-Fi. So the first thing you want to do is come down to your control center. Go to Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center, and then in the sidebar, change adapter settings. Select the one you're using. I'm using Wi-Fi. Right click it, go to Properties. And then here you find IPv4, or if you're using IPv6, use IPv6, but I'm on IPv4. Select it and then click Properties. And here is where the magic happens. So, it's by default set to obtain DNS server address automatically, which will go to your internet service provider. However, if you unselect that and actually go to the following, use the following DNS server address, allowing you to manually configure it. You can use any public address. In my case, I'm going to use Google's. Google's IPv4, or at least one of them, is 8888. One of the downsides of this is Google is going to log and potentially keep a log of everything you do while you're using their DNS server. So ideally, you would want to switch back to your internet service provider as soon as it's working. But if you're in a pinch, this could definitely help. The alternate is optional. Click OK, and then as soon as you click close, it applies it. So nothing has changed immediately that you can see. However, if we go back to our Internet Explorer, type in CNN. There you go. So we're trying apple.com. Now on the iPhone, you can see it's not loading. So how to fix it on the iPhone? Well, what we can do is we can come over to Settings, Wi-Fi, Information, click the eye icon on the Wi-Fi network you're on, all the way down, configure DNS, and then go to Manual, add a server, 8.8.8.8 for Google, once again, save, and then coming back over here, there you go. Thank you guys for watching, hope this helped.